We're Immobiliser Fit. Today I've secured this Hurican STO with a ghost to Immobiliser. If a thief manages to copy this key, does a relay attack and goes to steal the vehicle, it's not going to start up. As you see, starts, switches off, and then if we try again, it's just going to overcrank. See, the vehicle's not starting. So what the customer's got to do is go through a unique code, so they keep their foot off the brake and press the start button, get the ignition on, go for a unique code. For now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. If you watch the top right hand corner, we get a double flash from the full beam. We'll turn the car off and then foot on the brake and start. Fires into life. We can put it in gear, drive the vehicle away simply by putting the code in. Obviously the customer's going to want to take this for a service one day, so you can turn this system off. So if we turn the ignition on with our foot off the brake, pop in our code to prove it's us, wait for the double flash. Now the system knows it's us, we'll put our foot to the, for service mode, we'll pull the driver's window 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll get 5 flashes. Now we've got that, we can turn the vehicle off. This is now a normal vehicle. When it goes back to Lamborghini for a service, it's just going to be a normal car. As you see, starts without a code and they can drive off. As long as this vehicle doesn't exceed 30 miles an hour for 15 minutes or more, then it's going to be a normal vehicle. If it does, they'll get 1 flash and the immobiliser will be active again and it will need the code. Obviously, if that doesn't happen, you get the vehicle home, you want it secure, you want to turn the ghost back on. Just your normal process of turn the ignition on, pop your own code in, wait for your double flash, and now the system is back on. So if we turn it off, give it 30 seconds to set, the vehicle's then going to be immobilised. What we'll also show you is how to change the code. So what you'll do, turn the ignition on, first prove it's you, so the system knows it's you. Now we'll put our foot all the way to the floor on the accelerator, repeat the code again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once the full beam starts to flash, it's ready to set a code. So we'll just set up, down, down. See, every time we press the button we get a flash. When we're done, we'll get 3 flashes, 1, 2, 3, and we'll repeat it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time we should only get 2 flashes. There we go, that's done. We can turn the system off. If you've got 4 flashes on the second attempt, it means your first and second codes you set were wrong and you'll need to start the process again. But since we've done it, what you'll do now, foot off the brake, turn the ignition on, pop your code in, 1, 2, 3, 4 like we just set, wait for the double flash, turn the car off and then foot on the brake and start. We're Immobiliser Fit, our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.